Welcome to the Cala Builders podcast. This is our very first episode, so we wanted to make it introductory. And hey, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss what's coming up next. So let's get into it. This is a quick rundown on who we are. At its core, Cala Builders is a premier luxury general contractor right here in Los Angeles, with over 2 decades of experience turning big visions into reality. Okay, so first up, our expertise and focus. We specialize in high-end, luxury construction and remodeling all across Los Angeles and Southern California. We use proven methods to deliver premium services, whether you're looking for a completely custom home built from scratch or a major home renovation. Second, we offer comprehensive, full-service solutions. This covers everything from new home construction and full home remodeling to more specialized projects like high-end kitchen and bathroom upgrades. We also expertly handle unique builds like ADUs, that's accessory dwelling units, additions, and of course, those beautiful outdoor living spaces. And finally, let's talk about our approach. It's all about personalized project management, which means clear communication and sticking to timelines. We really designed for that Southern California lifestyle, maximizing natural light and creating that seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. So really, Cala Builders is that trusted partner dedicated to elevating your space with craftsmanship that reflects your style and boosts your property's long-term value.